Hi, Billy the Artist here with my how to draw tutorials, and I want to encourage you to just pick up your pencils and your crayons and your felt tips and just have fun with your drawing. Anyway, this is some from my how to draw playlist. There are over 90 videos in my how to draw playlist, and these are some of the characters from the brilliant Disney Pixar film Inside Out. We have joy. I want you to have joy with your drawing. We have disgust. Sometimes it may go wrong and you may even get angry, but you shouldn't do because you want to carry on having joy. Don't ever fear about making mistakes in your drawing, but also people can get sad when things don't go how they want in their drawing. But again, I just want you to have joy. So if you check out the links to my how to draw playlist in the cards and in the descriptions, the links for all of these videos, for the characters, for joy, for disgust, for fear, for sadness, for anger, for my how to draw playlist are in the description to the video, and there's some links in the YouTube cards so that you can access these and all the others. There are other characters from The Secret Life of Pets. There's those guys. There is also, we have some from the new Aardman Animations Early Man film. But I want you to learn drawing. I started doing these cartoon characters when I was a young child, copying them and learning to draw to develop into my artistic career. But the techniques that I use in these videos that you see in real time allow me to produce pencil drawings like this. And I also do very high-end oil paintings. This is Jenna Coleman. She played Clara Oswald in the Doctor Who series, but also Queen Victoria. And then this is singer Cheryl when she was pregnant with her first child, Bear, who she had with Liam Payne. And these were lovely to do, but these take a lot longer. This was a kind of day and a half's worth of drawing. This one was about a day. And there's also on there, we have the Doctor himself and Ed Sheeran. So again, check out the portraits playlist, but also my painting and drawing time lapses where you can see my oil paintings. But not only can I encourage you with taking up art and developing your art and having joy in that, if you or you know someone yourself who is into music and wants to play the piano and learn music theory, please do check out my wife's channel, Sharon. Again, link in the cards and in the descriptions. She has a load of videos to get you through scales and arpeggios and the basics on the piano, right the way through grades 1 to 5 on ABRSM music theory. And she can take you from absolute beginner all the way up through to quite advanced level. And she does this because she loves teaching beginners to develop their musical skills. So again, check her out. Free PDF downloads in US letter and A4 are also available from her website, sharonbill.com. So again, check out her because that's brilliant for music beginners. But I hope that you also like my how to draw videos. So do check them out and enjoy your drawing. And please do like and subscribe because I've got a lot more videos coming soon. Anyway, take care. Thanks very much. See you soon. Ta-da.